Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to update your Scotiabank online account username. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website scotiabank.com, then click on the Sign In button. Next, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Then, on the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Profile and Settings. Click on Profile and Settings. Next, on this page, you will see a section for Profile. Under it is a button that says Manage. Click on Manage. On the left side of the screen, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Security and Sign In. Under Security and Sign In, you will see a section for your username. On its right side is an option that says Update. Click on Update. On the field provided, remove your current username, then enter the new username you wish to use. Once the new username is entered, click on Update Username. That's how you update your Scotiabank online account username. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.